Hai, nama saya Durga, anak berkaum Sinjan. My matric number is 30 DLS 21F 2016. My part is introduction. It primarily discusses the impact of the MSDS, impact of methylation disorder on worker, the risk factor associated with work-related MSDS, and the impact of economics in prevention such disorders. However, from an economic perspective, the relevance of worker-led MSDS and their associated costs can be have significant impacts for both employers and the economy as whole here. Here's how the economy itself can understand. First is cost of work-related MSDS. Work-related MSDS can result in direct and indirect costs for employers. Direct costs include medical expenses, rehabilitation costs, and workers' compensation payment. Indirect costs arise from lost productivity, absenteeism, decreased employee model, and that need to hire and train replacement workers. Second is impact. Impact of productive MSDS can lead to reduced work effective and productive due to pain, physical elimination, or the needs of frequent breaks. Can result in low output and decreased quality of work and increased error rates, all of which can have economic impacts for employees. Third is medical expenditures. Work-related MSDS may require medical treatment, include doctor visit, physical therapy, medication in severe cases, surgery. These healthcare expenditures contribute to the overall healthcare cost and can impact insurance premium and healthcare system. Fourth is legal and regulation complements. Employees are legally obligated to provide a safe and healthful workplace. Failure to address work-related MSDS can result in legal contribution such as fine, penalties, and lawsuit, which can have financial implication for business. Several key elements contribute to the success for an economics process. Management support is curious as strong as commitment from leadership. Set the foundation for success in entails defining clear goals and objectives, discussing them with workers, assigning responsibility, and maintaining open communication with the workforce. Additionally, involving workers in the process, assigning a participator approach, empowers workers to contribute a worksite assessment, develop solution, and participate in their implementation. Workers possess valuable knowledge about tasks in their workplace and can provide insight and suggestion to reduce exposure to the risk factors. Furthermore, their input in vital in evaluation the effectiveness of economic changes by providing economies and forecasting a contribution approach. Organization can effectively migrate the risk of evaluating developing work-related MSDS. This lead to improved work health, reduce costs, and increase overall productivity, creating a safety and more productive work environment.
My name is Shweta Ravi from class DLS 3A. My metric number is 30DLS21F2050. Today I'm here to present about good economy, and then my part is in situation 1, sitting on an economic chair, details to consider when choosing an economic chair design include back and pelvis. And then one can also use a lumbar support pillow to ease lower back. An adjustable backrest allows the user to align the curve in the chair to their spine and enjoy optimal support while working. And then the third one is cushioning. Cushioning is the provided in an economic chair to relieve pressure by distributing weight across the cushion. It encourages occupational safety, better sitting posture, and softens an uncomfortable hard seat. Movement is the fourth point. While choosing an economically designed chair for workplace is important to select a movable option. Moreover, the choice should be made according to the flooring on which the chair will be placed. If the chair will be used on hard surface, find out with soft rubber wheels. And then, however, if it must be kept on a carpeted surface, select hard wheels with better traction. The last is armrest. Armrests play an important role while choosing an economic chair design. They reduce the pressure from the upper body and allow the shoulder to relax. The armrest must not be used while typing as it decreases the overall arm movement and affect the whole performance. Also, it forces wrist movement that lead to strain on the forearm muscles. 2. Sitting on a non-economic chair. Drawbacks of sitting on a non-economic chair include: situation number 2. Sitting on a non-economic chair. Drawbacks of sitting on a non-economic chair include: the first one is do not follow the curves of the spine. When it's come to design, economic chair are the ones that lead the competition. It's because they follow the contour of the person's body. In most of these equipment pieces, it does not have the S shape. It also has a straight backrest and would not give comfort when lying out our back flat on the backrest. Number 2 is cannot protect the shoulders and cervical spine. When people use the non-economic chair, they may not ensure that the cervical spine and shoulders get the protection they need, so they would not get strained. Typically, a non-economic chair does not have a wide backrest and headrest compared to economic chair. As a result, they might experience neck soreness and shoulder pain. Consequently, the pain may affect the spine. That's why they would feel the tightness when they sit for long hours on the non-economic chair. What is unstable parts? The non-economic chairs don't have stable parts, hence it will get wobbly most of the time. In particular, their armrests get shaky. When they use this kind of equipment, people put themselves in danger. It's because when the armrest get wobbly, while people put their elbows on it, they might slip off the make the lost balance. There is a tendency that is joints on those areas might get strained and so giving the pain that they might bear for a long time. So an economic piece must be flexible and durable. The last one is the metal will rust. Non-economic chairs quickly get rusty, mainly because they do not have the high greater steel that people could see in economic pieces. A steel frame that quickly gets rusty is not for good. Hence, it's essential to choose the ones that most workers trust most.
Greetings, Dr. Nas. I'm Sharvina Karan with my matrix number 30DLS21F 2018. I'll be talking about situation 3, which is ergonomic faucet. So when installing a faucet, it is crucial to measure the faucet center, which refers to the distance between the pre-drilled faucet holes in the sink. This measurement is taken from the center of the left hole to the center of the right hole. It is important to ensure that these center points align with the center connections of the faucets to be installed. Additionally, it is essential to consider the distance between the faucet holes and the wall, as well as any other obstructions like mirrors. The size of the faucet should be reasonable and proportionate to the sink. The spout should reach the middle of the sink basin and be positioned at a height that allows comfortable hand washing. A well-installed faucet enhances the user experience, while an unsuitable size can lead to poor posture and discomfort during hand washing. The above picture is the sink and faucet of Polytechnic Metro's female student toilet. As the picture shows, it is found that the faucet for the sink is short. Therefore, students are facing difficulties while using the sink. The faucet should be bigger and longer. As the picture shows, the faucet is not suitable for the sink. This is because there is so much space from the spout of the faucet to the opposite of the sink. The handle of the faucet is also not ergonomic. This is because it takes time to turn the handle for the water to come out from the pipe. Hence, it is advisable to change all the faucets into suitable shapes and sizes for the convenience of PMJB students. Common ergonomic risk factors: awkward body postures, sustained holding of a position, particularly in the neck, back, wrist, hands, and arms. Repetition, performing one motion repeatedly. Force, physical exertion applied by the body to carry out tasks such as pushing, pulling, lifting, and gripping. Contact stress, pressure on soft tissues of the body such as in the palm, sides of fingers, or wrist. Common health issues relating to poor ergonomic include musculoskeletal disorders, back injuries, stiff neck, headache and migraine, eye strain, ganglion cyst, and trigger finger.
Summary for improvement plan. To improve working condition at PMGP, the first step is to adjust the office chairs used by staff. Economical design chairs promote proper posture, reduce stress on the body, and prevent issues like cerebral spondylosis. The suitable option found at Shopee is black economical office chair, price RM139. With ecologic budget, 33 chairs for staff can be purchased for a total cost of RM 4,587. Replacing the existing chair with economical ones will provide improved posture option support, increase productivity, reduce pain, decrease hip pressure, and improve blood circulation for leisure at PMGB.
To improve the students' toilet facilities at PMJB, the second improvement plan involves replacing the existing small and inconvenient faucets with more ergonomic options. The current faucets do not fit the width of the cement deck and the size of the sink, leading to discomfort and poor postures for female students. Additionally, the faucet handles are time consuming to operate. PMJB will need 20 units as there are 5 sinks in each toilet for both male and female students. Also, there are 2 floors with separate toilet, making it 20 sinks in total. The total cost will be 330 ringgit. The changes made in the faucet can make students to feel more convenient and saves their time. By installing these ergonomic faucets, students will benefit from increased convenience, improved posture, and time savings while using the sinks in the student's toilet. As a conclusion, the total of these new improvements cost 4,917 ringgit. The total amount is still within the budget given by the authority, which is 5,000 ringgit. The balance around 80 ringgit shall be used for delivery fees for the mentioned items as we are purchasing it from Shopee. Designing a workspace ergonomically is crucial in preventing work-related injuries and illnesses.